Believe me when I say that this traditional Viennese apple strudel pastry is well worth the effort. This flaky, melt-in-your-mouth pastry using our organic all-purpose flour is then filled with the perfect balance of sweet and tart Honeycrisp apples. Have no fear, even if you're a novice baker, this pastry dough is quite extensible to work with. Here's a pro tip: when stretching the dough, avoid using your thumbs and focus on gently lifting and stretching the dough with your other fingers, or use the back of your hands to prevent tearing. Once the dough appears thin enough to see or read through, trim off the outer ends and get to filling on the long end closest to you. Be sure to use the sheet to guide and roll the pastry into a log. This truly is a meditative dessert to create those cozy autumn vibes. Be sure to tag us at Barton Springs Mill if you try any of these fall bakes this season.